Successful entrepreneur, 9 pitfalls to avoid as an entrepreneur. Hello everyone and welcome back to Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta, where you get regular doses of lifestyle tips. We encourage you to subscribe to our platform to get regular updates on lifestyle tips and get real-time updates on our social media platforms by following us. What makes a successful entrepreneur? Entrepreneurial success has always been a best-kept secret among successful business people. However, these secrets are not as hidden as you may think. These are some mistakes you can learn from. How does entrepreneur sound? For many, it is a huge relief. Everyone wants to be a boss. However, those who know the sacrifices that come with it know that it is a mixed bag of emotions. You are happy to be your boss, but there is a lot at stake. Since you don't start a business to fail, keep in mind that failure is inevitable if you fail to learn from mistakes. Here are 9 pitfalls to avoid as an entrepreneur. Plus, a bonus at the end, to help you attain that height you aim to attain in business. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Doing it alone. In business, just as in life, you need to surround yourself with people capable of helping you reach your goals. No man is an island, and even more so in business. The first mistake young entrepreneurs make is thinking they can do it all by themselves. This is wrong on so many levels. Firstly, a successful business requires a committed team, not a solo hardworking boss. Secondly, entrepreneurs need partners and mentors. Besides your employees, you need people to go to for assistance and advice. Take this off the table, and you will be running in circles for a very long time. Number 2. Having the wrong team. The only thing worse than doing it all by yourself is doing it with the wrong team. As the boss, keep in mind that you are responsible for scrutinizing the hiring process unless you have a dedicated HR team. Whatever be the case, you ought to make sure you hire the right fit for your business. Your employees determine the fate of the business. No successful entrepreneur ever succeeded with the wrong team. Be vigilant. Number 3. Getting involved in several things. This is another grave mistake you should steer clear of. In the quest to be successful, entrepreneurs often get involved in too many things that may lead to a loss of focus. At the end of the day, they end up losing at both ends, as their attention and time will be divided, and wouldn't be able to give their best to any. As the saying goes, a jack of all trades is a master of none. Stay focused on where your strength lies and give it the attention and work it requires. Number 4. Not knowing your audience. There's absolutely no way you can know how to serve your audience better if you do not know them in the first place. In being able to make proper plans and put things in place, you ought to know your target market, what they want, and how they want to be served. In fact, this should be your first task as an entrepreneur. Failure to design an audience leads to wasted effort and resources. Number 5. Spending recklessly. As the boss, you are responsible for calling the shots. And one of these shots borders on money. The ultimate test of a successful entrepreneur is how well they manage resources. You will be involved in a lot of expenses from the get-go. There are tons of things to spend on to keep the business going. However, it takes a smart entrepreneur to know what is truly relevant to sustain the business and the scale of preference for each expense. Without proper management, no amount of funding will be enough. Number 6. Starting without a plan. Generally, they say, failure to plan is planning to fail. This is very true in the business world. Before you even venture into this journey, it is ideal to have a map to follow. This is where planning comes in. Besides your business plan, you will need strong decision-making skills to help you think on your feet. Don't make the mistake of starting without a plan, else you will be struggling in no time. Number 7. Being in a hurry to launch. Business requires good planning and strategies. It's not something to be rushed into. Since you want to show the world what you've got, do not disorganize the whole process and effort you've put into becoming a successful entrepreneur by being in a hurry to launch. Take your time to see to it that everything you have planned is in place before going ahead to launch. Avoid rushing in so you don't rush out as well. Number 8. Inadequate insight of the business. Some entrepreneurs just hear that a business is lucrative and they dive right into it without knowing the concept of the business and what it entails. Its lucrative tendencies do not rule out the fact that it can fail. Do not jump at anything that looks like a business opportunity that comes your way without fully understanding the basis. No one should go through the trauma of being clueless in matters concerning the market they've chosen. It's terrible. Number 9. Lacking enough capital. In addition to spending wisely, the ability to raise enough funds for necessities should be the strong suit of a successful entrepreneur. Yes, the amount varies widely, but the truth is, every business needs money to stay afloat. Inadequate capital will run the business to the ground before it even lifts off. Before starting this journey, ensure you have enough capital or investors to bring the needed capital. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. And as promised, here is now your bonus tip. Lacking confidence. A lot of people go into business with a lot of what-ifs, and this ends up reducing their confidence level, which in turn affects their productivity. Granted, the business may go wrong, but this is how you learn. You learn better after making a mistake. Don't limit your abilities because you are scared to fail. There's absolutely nothing wrong with failing. Most big names we hear of today once had their share of failure. You are your biggest fan. Believe in yourself first before others can believe in you. Finally, becoming a successful entrepreneur entails a lot of work. The good news is that it is very possible to climb to the top. You just have to be willing to learn. These 9 lessons are the perfect place to start. Don't give up now. For more assistance, don't hesitate to contact Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous videos in our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can always bring you helpful tips like these. Thank you. To create these videos, take a lot of time and effort, so we need your love, comment, like, and share, and we will make sure to create even more interesting videos for you. Don't forget to check our website lifestyletipsbyantoaneta.com and grab one of our courses or books. Thank you again for watching. And remember, always stay very motivated.